Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a little bunch of carrots. So this is a bunny head cutter that I used for this cookie, and I just flipped it upside down, and you can see some of the other Easter and spring designs I made with an inverted bunny head cutter in the rest of my video library. So I've outlined the two carrots, and this is a piping consistency orange royal icing with a number 2 tip, and I'm now flooding it in with a flooding consistency of the same color. It doesn't matter if the flooding runs into the other carrot because we are going to be re-outlining everything later. So I'm using a scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles as well. So I've let the carrots crust over for about 10 to 20 minutes, and now I've got a piping consistency green royal icing here. This is like a mint green, and I'm creating the fluffy green part of the carrots plus their stalks. So I just created like almost like a green cloud with 2 stems, and I'm going to be filling this in with a flooding consistency of the same color in a squeeze bottle. And I'll use my scribe tool again to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. And as usual, I'll let my flooding consistency dry overnight, but you only need to let it dry for as long as it takes. Here it's about 6 to 8 hours, but it can depend on your temperature and humidity. I've got some chocolate brown Americolor gel dye here that I've mixed with a touch of vodka, and I'm just flicking it at my carrots. For this Easter series that I'm doing, I gave them all a nice splatter. I also gave it a nice gold luster dust splatter as well, and that was a bit of gold luster dust mixed with a touch of vodka. And I flicked it at my carrots just like I did with the chocolate brown dye. So now I'm just re-outlining the carrots with the same piping consistency orange. This time I've got it fitted with a number 1 tip, and I re-outlined the outside, and I just did a nice little swirl in the middle. And I've also got my piping consistency green here again with a number 2 tip, or sorry, a number 1 tip this time. And I'm just re-outlining where I want the tops of the carrots to be. And I separated that little green bunch, or that little green kind of cloud shape. I separated it into 2 so that you can see that they're both separate. So there you go, we got a cute bunch of carrots for Easter or springtime. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!